even now, it's like I know so much of this stuff, but there are times where it's like I'm bad with my money. It's like I'll go out and drink too much on like rainy and be like,
Yeah.
I shouldn't have spent that much on a bar bill. Or like even in an apartment right now, it's like I'm paying more than I probably should be. But even though I'm noticing these things and it's something that I have like personal guilt about because like I'm hard on myself over it, I still like had the kind of peace of mind like when I'm looking for this new apartment to go. It's like, could I find something super cheap that would save me even more money? Yes, but let's be a
Mhm.
little bit more holistic in the approach of what we're looking at and go, what would put me in a better position where I can increase my wealth generation?
Right.
Not having the most bare bones apartment where I'm going to be miserable and lose my mind, especially because I work from home. It's all about not just looking at it in terms of like simple dollar amounts, but also having the maturity and like self awareness to go, like, what is a good use of my money? It's like, what is a good thing to invest in, not just both in terms of the things around me, possession and material wise, but also into like my mental health, my personal growth. Like that's one of the things I like hold really important to me.